Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. In the recent past, there are a lot of suffering in the entire mankind because of variety of reasons which many of you already know. So one of the most interesting part I thought I will cover going forward is essentially why there is so much of suffering, and then is it because of the various external acts which are really bothering the mankind, or is it because of the way in which our own process of paradigms and how we are looking at life and living our life. So I thought I will bring in some more perspective in this context. Sometime back we had a series of meditation sessions, and then there are quite a number of people shown interest in understanding what is meditation is all about and why we need to meditate and so on and so forth. So I thought it may be a good idea to bring in the context of spirituality, which is a kind of ancient science which many of our Vedic seers have brought about many ideas, and then this is the country of Vedic origin. And for some historical reasons that we have drifted away from our Vedic base, and then we got into a lot of materialistic pursuits and ended up nowhere. So I thought maybe a good idea to bring in some kind of discussions on the subject of spirituality, because according to me, being an engineer as well as a scientist myself, I look at everything more in a scientific frame of mind, be it a music which we have spoken about, how music can be seen in the context of a scientific outlook. Similarly, the spirituality is also an interesting topic. We can look at it in the spiritual perspective. So I would like to bring about some context here, that not spirituality just for the sake of meditating or probably trying to become a recluse as a yogi or something like that. So I was personally benefited during the course of my entire life, right from my middle age onwards. I was inducted into the subject of spirituality, and then I gained a bit of momentum over the period of time. So I thought I will bring in some context of my own personal life, how this science of spirituality has really brought in some kind of a clarity as well as progress in my own life. So in this series, I'm going to talk about multiple concepts as we generally try to learn any new science, maybe for example physics. So when we are trying to learn physics, we start getting into some of the basic aspects of the physical science, and then gradually make it more and more complicated. In the same way, I thought I will present the topic of spirituality not as a kind of a complex, mystical kind of a world, but I thought I will bring it in the context of scientific way of understanding it. So I'm sure going forward in this series, I will introduce some of the basic concepts, like I'm building the topic of music in my keyboard serial. So I would like to develop the topic of spirituality, which is on the practical point of view. You may like to call this as a pragmatic spirituality, because when you say pragmatic, anything which is of no use for our personal life, it is of no significance to anybody. So it's very important to understand the science of life and then try to apply some of these concepts over a period of time, which will significantly help you to direct your life for more productive, more fulfilling and satisfying kind of a life. So that is the purpose of this particular series, in which I am going to talk about multiple topics and then build it in such a simple manner so that you will be able to come along with me and then over a period of time improve the quality of your life. So please remember one thing very important is, at the end of the day, whatever may be our pursuits in our personal life towards material and having more, etc., they are all aiming at bringing in certain kind of a sense of happiness and fulfillment. So it's extremely important where this sense of completeness and fulfillment is coming from, and then try to move forward in a very, very calculated manner in our life, so that at the end of the day we ensure that our peace of mind and tranquility is not sacrificed under any circumstances. I'm sure that you will enjoy this session and then continue to practice many of these aspects in your own personal life. Thank you very much. I look forward to have more and more detailed sessions on the subject of pragmatic spirituality. God bless you and take care.